आईफोन SE का वीडियो थोड़ा ज़्यादा शेक करता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू S10।
इसको क्या दिखाएगा तुमरे?
The dynamic range is much better in S10।
तो तुम 4K एचडी में किया 4K किया क्यों? ऊपर का ले लो सीधा। वीडियो तो बहुत बना लिया रे।
फोटो खींचेंगे ना, क्या टेंशन लेता है। You can clearly see in the previous video that S10 captures more vibrant and clear sound। चल घर पे आके
कौन देखता है?
आराम से गिरेगा पड़ेगा तो दोनों का फोन।
कहाँ चलना?
क्या क्या बोल रहा है?
कहाँ चलना?
भूतनाथ।
We are on the bike। You can clearly see this, sometimes iPhone SE drops the frame। मेरा जाएगा लगता है आज हाथ।
आता तू
This is the very low light video from iPhone SE and Galaxy S10, SE, S10. I hope you can see the background is much better in iPhone SE, but the colors of S10 is better than SE. I think the front camera of iPhone SE is better, but it sometimes drops the FPS. But you guys are the judge, so comment down below which phone camera do you like. This is very low light video from
चल मेरे साथ चल तू पीछे बसाना यार गिरे गए हमने तो
घूम जाओ घूम जाओ घूम जाओ।
अब नाइट करो नाइट विजन कैसा है इसका
दिख रहा नाइट विजन किसका बढ़िया है देख लो।
बैक चल
So this is a running shot from both the phone. I know this is not taken at the same time, but you can clearly see the SE captures more details in running shot. Now look at this photo. You can clearly see the details on the t-shirt is much better in Galaxy S10. But if you look at the hairs, the details on iPhone SE is much better as compared to S10. Now if you look at this photo, the SE sometimes lag in taking photos और उसका outcome कुछ ऐसा आता है। This is a portrait shot from both the phones. In this you can clearly see the iPhone SE photo is much sharper. But now if we zoom into this photo, you can clearly see the details on mask is much better in Galaxy S10, but the details in skin tone and hair is much better in iPhone SE. But हर iPhone की तरह इसमें भी एज डिटेक्शन बहुत ही घटिया है। आप देख सकते हो कि फ़ोटो में इसने कान को ब्लर कर दिया है, बट S10 ने नहीं किया। Now look at this photo. The S10 captures much vibrant photo than iPhone SE. Now if we zoom into this photo, you can clearly see the difference. मतलब ज़मीन आसमान का अंतर है दोनों में। Now if we look at this photo, both have done a great job. But you guys are the judge, so comment down below which photo is looking better. Now look at this photo. The details on both the photo is excellent, but if we zoom into the ground, the details on S10 is much better and much higher than iPhone SE. Now in this photo, both have done a great job, but if we zoom into this, we can clearly see the dynamic range and details on trees is much better in Galaxy S10 as compared to iPhone SE. In this we can clearly see the sun is much brighter in S10 and iPhone SE captures much vibrant photo than Galaxy S10. But as like the previous photo, the details on trees and grass is much better in Galaxy S10 as compared to iPhone SE. Now look at this photo. The details on t-shirt and helmet and skin tone is much better in Galaxy S10. But if you look at the background is looking much better in iPhone SE as compared to Galaxy S10. Now look at this. This photo is captured from both the phones. You guys are the judge, so comment down below which photo is looking better. Now if you look at this photo, the colors and details is much better in iPhone SE. So comment down below which photo is looking better according to you. So this is the very low light photo from both the phones and both have done a great job. But if we zoom into the ground, the details on the S10 is much better than iPhone SE. But if we zoom into this side of the photo, the iPhone SE captures lot of details than S10. Now look at this photo, both have done a great job and the details in iPhone SE is much better than S10, but it is a little bit noisier than S10. So ये फोटो बिल्कुल अंधेरे में ली गई है फ्लैश लाइट से एंड दिस इज़ अ फोटो फ्रॉम S10 विथ नाइट मोड एंड ये फोटो भी बिल्कुल अंधेरे में ली गई है. So this is a very low light photo from both the phones and SE captures a lot of more details than S10, but it is a little bit noisier and both looks great. So this is a selfie portrait from both the phones. You can clearly see the Galaxy S10 captures lot of details in t-shirt, but the details on my skin is much better in iPhone SE. Now if we zoom into this, हमेशा की तरह आईफोन का एज डिटेक्शन बहुत ही बकवास है. So this is a portrait shot from both the phones in different mode क्योंकि दोनों में सेम मोड तो है नहीं. तो कमेंट डाउन बिलो कि कौन सा फ़ोटो आपको अच्छा लगा इन दोनों में से.